Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'll be your guide into the world of the Russian language. Today you'll learn how to introduce yourself in Russian easily, naturally, and without learning complicated grammar. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to say your name, your age, where you come from, what you do, and a few more fun facts about yourself. Let's get started. In Russian, the easiest way to introduce yourself is just to say your name. When you meet someone for the first time, it's enough to approach them and say Oleg, Vladislav, Anna, Katya. Or you can say я plus your name, which is I am plus your name. Я Олег, я Анна. Or you can say меня зовут plus your name, which is my name is. Меня зовут Анна. To say where you come from, simply say я из. I'm from. But note that in Russian we don't use any verb in this phrase. We simply say я из. I from. Я из России. I'm from Russia. Я из Канады. Я из США. To say where you live, use Я живу в. I live in. And then you can name the city or the country where you live. Я живу в России. Я живу в Москве. In Russian, the ending of the name of the city or country changes, like Россия в России. But don't worry, we will understand you even if you don't change the ending and just say the name of your country or your city. Now let's talk about your age. We say мне plus the age. For example, мне 36. I am 36. You can also add the word лет. Мне 36 лет, which will be like I am 36 years old. To talk about your job or your occupation, you can use я plus the name of your occupation. For example, я учитель. I'm a teacher. Я студент. I'm a student. Я пенсионер. I'm retired. Want to add something personal? Great. Then use я люблю, I love, plus a noun or a verb. Я люблю музыку. I love music. Я люблю путешествовать. I love traveling. Let's put everything together. Привет, меня зовут Анна. Я из России. Я живу в Москве. Я преподаватель английского. Я люблю путешествовать. Let's practice. How will this person introduce themselves? You can write your answers in the comments and I'll give you feedback. Check out my next video. We'll learn how to say numbers in Russian. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.